you give out ambulances sa mga
Yes.
local government
Yes.
units. So, selective ba yon o lahat meron?
Dati, last administrations, they give about 600 for 6 years. Kami ngayon, naka 2,700 na kami, covering all cities and municipalities.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
okay.
that is very important pag ganitong disaster kasi they can pool lahat ng malalapit. They can call in, nagtutulungan sila. Because every municipality and town and city ngayon, meron na pong isa. And we're now giving, kinukomplete na namin, sana in time for the SONA, na yung provincial governments will have 2. At hindi lang yan, since, okay lang, dadala ko But since all of the municipalities already have ambulances, what do we do with island municipalities?
Oh,
Okay,
rescue
di ba?
boats.
Hindi po. Ang ginawa namin doon, pwedeng, sabi nila, si ambulance, maglilipat ka pa.
Right,
Ito ang aming plano. And then, darating na ang unang batch namin is in the procurement stage already. We ordered for landing craft vehicles. So, sakay doon and pupunta siya sa mainland. So, di ba, yun ang solusyon namin. Kasi sabi nila, you give out ambulances to all municipalities. Paano yung nasa isla?
Right, right.
Totoo.
Ito ang gagawin namin.
Naalala ko tuloy,